When you said it was like the internet back then is happening right now, for anyone who's closed minded or not exposed or totally not open, what would you say to them?
I think it's like looking back at history. Like when I was full into it in 2020, I'd wake up every day and at least 50 times a day I'd think, what am I doing? Like I'm crazy because no one wanted to hear about it. No one wanted to talk to me about it. It was very just lonely as well trying to do it myself. I went back in history and looked back at how things progressed, what happened in the internet times. And if you go back and type in the internet is a fad, you'll find all these news articles of how everyone literally was making fun of the internet, how it would never be a thing. No one wants a digital website that you visit. Everyone needs physical things. Like streaming will never be a thing because we want physical cassettes and CDs. So it was like going back through history and trying to find similarities. Like history doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. So that's what really helped is going back and looking at these tendencies and these things that have reoccurred over time and being able to apply it to this current time now where I was like, wait a minute, all these revolutionary ideas were ridiculed for like their first 5, 10, 20 years of inception until the day where it did finally go crazy and then everyone was too late by then because they had already ridiculed it and said no to it and they lost their chance, like the opportunity.